What is happening, internet? So this is a pregnant Daphnia. At least I'm pretty sure she's pregnant. Those look like eggs. You can see the heart beating in the upper middle of the frame. That's my little buddy. So this was a species that I've never seen before. It looks like a mobile rotifer just because of his tail, but he has this claw-like structure that comes out of the bottom of his body and will grab whatever he's trying to eat and pull it into him. Very alien-like. He also has two clearly visible red eye spots. You can see him there just a second ago. There they are again. And yeah, in the sample that I took, I saw maybe a dozen of these, and most of them were hanging around dead Daphnia corpses. There were lots of those too, and they were just eating the remains. So I'm still trying to identify them, and hopefully I'll be able to in the next week or so. Well, thanks for watching, everybody, and stay tuned for more updates. I recently got a microscope and a pretty nice recording setup, so there will definitely be more microscopy and science-related videos coming in the future. Thanks.